Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw temu credit balance. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, click on your search bar at the below right corner, and you're going to just type right here, temu, right? You're going to just double check if your temu app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Basically, if you want to withdraw cash from my credit balance, your credit balance only can be used for purchase on Temu. Typically, you will not be able to redeem your Temu credit balance for cash. Credit balance in your Temu account will never expire, but although you can convert them or convert it as a cash and make a submit a request that you want to withdraw it to your own account. So unfortunately for now it is not possible, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.